Hi everyone, thank you for joining me. My name is Lauren from the Coffee Cake Quilt Company, and today I have day number 13 of our Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. For those of you who are new here, this is an advent calendar that Missouri Star Quilt Company puts out every year for the last couple years now. So we did unbag or unbox days number 1 through 12 here on our channel if you want to go back and look at those. If not, let's go ahead and dive into day number 13. There's a couple items in here. Make sure we got it all. Oh, fun. Okay. We got a little matte scrubber. Interesting. Okay, so this must be for your cutting mat. I wonder if it works because I actually do have some threads down here. Maybe I'll do a little demo. Okay, so it has this little like, what do you call that? It's like one of those suction cups. Looks like there's a suction cup here. And then it has the scrubby part here. You can kind of hold it like this, maybe. Okay. Oh, there's two of them. There's a chuck too. I don't think that I need to, but they're super, super duper cute. So same thing here, just chuck. So let's go ahead. Maybe we can do a demo of this one. So I don't know if you guys can see here. I did actually just do a couple of quilts. I did the binding for a couple quilts. Let's see if this will kind of get some of those loose, some of those threads. Yeah. Okay, let's see. I know there's more. There's some down here. It's a stubborn spot. Alright, so that definitely worked. I'm excited for this item. Let me know what you thought down below of today's item. And today's question of the day is, what is your favorite candy? For me, it would be Andy's Creme de Menthe. I just absolutely love that candy. No rhyme or reason, just chocolate and mint. Can't go wrong. All right, let me know down below, and I will see you tomorrow for day 14. Bye, everyone.